my name is Marco and today we're doing blueberry muffins. But stick around because these are not the regular ones. These are made healthier with good ingredients and packed with protein. We will start by mixing the dry ingredients: whole wheat flour, oat flour, baking powder and a pinch of salt. Mixing the dry ingredients properly now will avoid flour pockets later when we mix it with the wet ingredients. Then I like to coat the blueberries with a bit of this dry mixture so that they don't sink in the muffins later. Now for the wet ingredients, we're going to mix Greek yogurt, buttermilk. If you don't find it, you can make it yourself with milk and a bit of vinegar. Honey, because it's better than refined sugar. Some oil to keep the muffins moist. Vanilla extract. 1 egg. And lemon zest. Now if you're anything like me, sometimes I need to have something sweet. But I'm trying to eat better, so these are perfect for me because they are full of fiber, they're packed with protein, so they keep me full longer. Once everything is properly mixed, we add the dry ingredients to the wet and continue mixing until everything is well incorporated. At this stage, don't overmix the batter to avoid having hard muffins later. Now we will add the blueberries in the batter and fold them in gently so that you don't break them. At this point you can also add some chopped nuts if you want, that's up to you. Now I'm going to tell you my secret to get the bakery style tall muffins. You let the batter rest for 15 minutes. That will allow the flour to hydrate and give it structure, allowing it to rise more in the oven. Meanwhile, we can preheat the oven. And I like to use this portable thermometer to get an accurate measurement of the oven temperature. I'll set the temperature to 430 Fahrenheit. And another tip for tall muffins is to fill the muffin cups to the brim and more, so use all the butter. And this is just for the look, but I like to add a few blueberries on top. And another tip to get the bakery style tall muffins is to bake them first at high temperature 430 for 5 minutes and then reduce the temperature to 350 for the rest of 18 minutes. We have the written ingredients both in US and metric measurements together with tips and more on our website. I'll leave the link below for you to check it out. These are incredibly delicious. You have to try them. And if you have any questions about how to make this recipe, leave it in the comments below. I will answer you there. And if you like this video, give it a like. It literally takes 1 second of your time and it will mean the world to me. Thank you and until the next one.